let's make pimento cheese. Start with a big old block of cream cheese that you let soften real good. Add 2 cups of white cheddar, a cup of sharp cheddar, and a cup of Colby. And 2 jalapeños that I seeded and chopped. And about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic that I chopped up. And a bunch of scallions. And about 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon or half teaspoon of chipotle pepper, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Then a whole can of pimentos. Don't even drain them, just throw them right in there. And about a half cup of mayonnaise, maybe a little bit more. And then just stir that all up. And ideally, you would let this sit in the refrigerator for about 2 hours after you get it mixed up to let those flavors develop throughout the dish. But if you don't even have time to warm up your croissant, you're probably going to eat this right after you get done making it. If you ever get done making it, because sure it's taking you a long time to stir that up. Bent your spoon even. Oh well. What else can we say about pimento cheese while this is stirring? Because I'm not sure how long this might take, but it's got to resemble pimento cheese, and we do that by stirring it. And I think we're almost there. And then after you get done stirring it, you can get you a croissant or sandwich bread or whatever you want to put it on. And grab you a big old hunk of it and put it on it. And after you smear it around a little bit, make a sandwich. If you want to, you can cut it in half. And if you let it set 2 hours and warm up your croissant, it's delicious. It's delicious even if you didn't. It's quite good.